Assalamu alaikum, dear Sebastians. Today I will be giving some information regarding sketching drawing for beginners. This is the part 2. If you remember, in the part 1 lesson, I had just given you a slight idea of what should be the proper pencil grip and what is the warm-up exercise if you want to start drawing, and if you need a proper and flawless flow in the stroke while you're drawing. So the information that I share is always for everybody who wants to benefit from it. So let's see. Before I start, I would like you to know and understand a few terms that are regularly used in the language of arts. Most of my art students are already aware of these words and the meanings. Theme, this is basically what the idea or the topic on which a picture or a sketch is made. That is the theme. A reference, any live model or any printed module or any picture that you see to take influence from to draw, or if you want to draw your own creation and you just take an idea for something which is already in front of you, that is your reference. Skeleton view, that is one term made by myself. There is no official term in arts as skeleton view. I call this because you should have that aesthetic of looking at a picture and just in your mind drawing out the skeleton, the outline of the basic shapes of that picture, so that it is easy for you to draw that first and then detail it. Landscape, that is everybody, most of the people already know that this is a position of your paper or the drawing surface, and when it is in this form, it is landscape, portrait, and when your paper is in this position, it is called portrait. Now when we talk about drawing step to step, supposedly in my hand I have this reference and I am supposed to draw this. So I will go step by step. Step 1 would be to make the outline. Step 2 would be to add value, to give the darker and lighter tones by shading it. And step 3 would be the details. In this, the details are the kernels of the corns, the lines in the leaves, the design of the stucco on the wall, and you can see that the shapes, how the shapes are given value of the reflection of light. The reflection of light is coming from the left side on this pumpkin, and it is darker on the other side, and that can easily be shown by the way it is cast. This is when it is called added detail and value to a picture. So in this also I would like you to try drawing this by first drawing a big circle, small circles, small circle, big circle, circle, and again a circle. And in a 1-point perspective, you can start by drawing a line, and then on top of that you can draw these circles, and then that is how step by step you can go on with the drawing. Perceive the basic shapes and outlines of what you see and draw it down, and step by step take it towards completion. In the same way, if you have this reference in front of you, this would be the basics that you would do. You would draw the outlines and then you would go towards detailing it. Now here are some step-to-step instructions on how to draw a simple rose. As you can see on screen, this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, and how they have added layers in each step. So if you look at a simple rose, it does look quite difficult to draw. But if you follow these steps, you will realize that how easy it is to create something so beautiful. Now, I would request you to take out pictures of your choice and try the same step-by-step instructions for any picture you want to draw. So keep practicing different sketches in the same manner, and you will see that how easy and how wonderful it is to draw and sketch. So till the next lesson, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.